Every time I use my kitchen sink, I notice water running on the basement floor. I don't see any water under the sink. I see no water damage on the wall, but there is a small trapdoor, which I removed. After spotting a drain pipe to my left, I removed a chunk of drywall to gain access to the pipe. I found out that my drain pipe had busted inside the wall due to the cold weather. Once I determined how much pipe I had to replace, I started putting them together. I cut the cast iron pipe, used a rubber coupling to replace the portion of pipe needed from the basement to my kitchen sink, and now I have to make a new path for the pipe. I'm removing a part of the cabinet floor. I have to clear this mess and drill a hole for the pipe. The pipes under the sink are all done, now I go downstairs to connect the rest of the pipes. Notice the old drain hole, which I bypassed. Finally I put all of them together. I put these wooden cleats for the pipe to rest on. This is where the cast iron meets the PVC.